Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Shake Rides. This is part of Honda CB350 Highness videos. So in this video I'll be showing you the Bluetooth connectivity, how to connect mobile, your Android device with your Honda Highness CB350. So this app, you need to have an app called as Honda, this one, Honda Road Sync. If you go to Play Store, there go to search, here you Honda Road Sync. Yeah, so you need to download this. This is available only as of now in Android. I didn't see it in iOS. So open this. So it says no connection, not connected to your vehicle. So to connect your vehicle, you need to enable your Bluetooth in your Highness. So turn on the ignition. Once you turn on the ignition, there are two buttons here. So you need to press this continuously. Once you press for a long time, there is a blinking of echo. See here, echo mode. So once you do that, here you get an enter button, enter. So now you can see here 8 is blinking. Basically it's getting into setting mode. So like this, when you do enter, it goes to next level, then again enter, and it goes to, this is your adjustment of your brightness of the digital console. If you're using the arrow mark here, do this, that adjustment, it will increase the brightness of the screen. So again you do enter. Now it says reset. Okay, now you got to do, after coming to this point, you need to do this up. Once you do up, it says yes. You can see it says yes. Then again do enter. Done. So now you can see a Bluetooth is symbol is blinking, right? So now what you can do is, now you have to open this app. Now you can go to your connectivity, Honda app. Not connected, it's showing not connected. Wait for a minute. Yes, currently no notifications. Add another vehicle. So ready to pair, you have to click ready to pair here. Then it will say Honda B2U A9848. Click on that. Okay, so it get connected. Now you will get a message called success. So now your Bluetooth is connected to your phone. Okay, now what happened is, okay, this is tutorials here. You can go through them, how to use them.
Main menu.
Okay, I accept. Okay, so now we are back. This is what you get once you get connect success. This is what it comes. Now what all you can use in this is, nothing gets displayed here. All it will give you is audio. Okay, so that's one let down from this. So you need to have audio setup either through headset or what Honda has done is they have collaborated with Sena, Bluetooth device company. So you can use that, connect your Bluetooth Sena, and then you can listen to your audio. So what all it gets, it gives navigation. So you can click nearby places. You can give ATM. So it will tell you, like you get an audio feed, so which way you want to go. So once you get Kotak Mahindra Bank, it will load the navigation. From where it will load the navigation? Of course from Google. So that's how you get the navigation. Now once you start the navigation, you get an audio feed of the navigation. You don't get, it doesn't show anything here, right, left or something, but you'll get an audio feed. So it just pushes from that app to your navigation app. So coming back, that's about navigation. Now do cancel, come back. Now what happens is, okay, now you also can use a call. Okay, but to call this, you need to add favorite contacts. Okay, so you got to go to settings, add your favorite contacts, then to list here. Once you click here, it will directly take, you can do a contact calling. In the list you need to enable, in the settings you need to enable it or add favorite contacts. So if you click that, it will go for a calling. Similarly, same for message. Similarly, this is your for listening to music. Here you need to add your music player. Once your music player is running, it will display here. You can use that, go back to, and this is adjustment of your volume. So there's no much helpful with this Bluetooth device apart from your navigation. because without this Bluetooth connectivity also, you can connect your phone, use your Google Maps, and you can do all the stuff. So that's one big letdown here. It really does not do any kind of magic, this Bluetooth device. It really does not. So there is a future for the sake of having it, but usage of it is very limited. However, in Royal Enfield Meteor, there is a separate meter, a pod, which will show you navigation details. It will display easily whether to take right, left, everything you get from there. So, and that feature is available in Royal Enfield Meteor in all the models, but this feature here in Bluetooth is available only in the dual tone model, that's Deluxe Pro. In the normal one, you do not get this facility. So that's the feature, guys. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, do let me know in my comment section. And please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. This is Sheikh and I'm signing off.